Hi everyone!
Another day in Bali. Beautiful weather. We decided to come to Nusa Dua. It's the beautiful beach here, beautiful weather. I think I already mentioned. Definitely a little bit more alive than the past 2 years.
Yes, and we see that also some international tourists already arriving in Nusa Dua and having a holiday here. I think, yeah, it's more busier if we compare with the previous days. And yeah, so now we will take you to stroll around Nusa Dua. For those of you, if you come to Bali and then you prefer to stay in Nusa Dua, this is for you. And also if you're curious or never been to Nusa Dua, we will show you around.
Meanwhile, this is the Merusaka Hotel, ex-Inaya Putri. Seems like they will have some event and there's also some guests around. But some people chilling by the pool, when last time was nobody there. See some people already, tourists walking around. So here lady, and there is some family. And there are even some people playing.
You see, even people are having a good time with their friends. Like next to me, they are playing tennis by the beach.
Tennis.
Beach tennis, so
Yeah,
nice.
so cool. There will be some party, birthday or engagements or something like that with the flowers, very nice. It's a little bit hot in Bali in general, guys, what I can say.
So yeah, I don't know what should I say. So this is how it is Nusa Dua nowadays for those of you who miss Nusa Dua vibes. So
We
yeah,
gonna have some drink, that's for sure. Meanwhile, the water activities, if you would like to, I don't know what this is, but the life jacket, everything is open right now, so you don't need to worry about that. There is the beautiful temple, and there is some nice, decent looking kwarung. Maybe we can grab some drink, and if you go more there will be Ayodhya. Unfortunately, Ayodhya seems like had the better times. Currently doesn't look that good. I'm not even sure if the hotel is open itself. Maybe you remember about 1.5 years ago we were actually in this swimming pool. That was the beautiful pool. We had a day pass, but now seems like no, it's closed, totally abandoned.
it's like a crocodile pool nowadays, you see, without the maintenance, and then the hotel left abandoned, the restaurant is closed, nobody here, the grass already high.
That was actually like around 500 rooms or something like that, or even bigger. Very old, very nice, and very popular hotel used to be.
Okay guys, so I think that Ayodhya Resort normally in the normal time, in the past, the tourists who came here is just, you know, was coming from the big travel agents coming from the Europe, yeah, Hania, if I'm not mistaken.
Mostly from Europe, yeah.
Yeah, and then seems like, you know, because of not many travel agent, big travel agent probably open. Seems like the hotel already gone bankruptcy. I don't know, but next door is just like Merusaka, because Merusaka is actually owned by the government, and yeah, still got support from the government. But I think this Ayodhya is private owned. I think that the hotels, the private hotels like this one, still struggling, even like the Bali is already open for tourism.
Meanwhile, this is the part of the beach what it seems like it's busy. Yeah, people coming. This is like a public beach, public access. So yeah, a little bit. It's actually a nice beach. As pity as the hotel is closed. Also, this beach is definitely much more local right now. Always for the 3 decades people was considering as this is super extremely tourist place, now become the local place, and the tourists actually going to the Geger beach, which was considered as the local beach. Now it's tourist beach that changed everything 360 degree, guys. Unbelievable.
So welcome to Bali Collection in BTDC Nusa Dua. This is the shopping center where it was normally, I think it has been 2 years, and still, like, you know, many restaurants over there and surrounding. They are not much open, but they said that the only one department store which is open is Sogo. So yeah, we will take you to stroll around to see how it is Bali Collection. For those of you who still remember how hustle and bustle live in Bali Collection. So maybe you can see nowadays when Bali is already open. Okay guys, if you are planning to stay in Nusa Dua area, in BTDC area complex, and you are planning to look for the food, the restaurant in Bali Collection, unfortunately, most of them, I can say that 90% of the shop are still closed. Even the Bali already to open for the tourism, but seems you see that surrounded me, there are some people already coming, but seems like not much shop or restaurant are open. I think that this shop used to be a supermarket, something like that, when it was a normal time. So yeah, I feel like, you know, it has been 2 years and it's nothing changed. Still the same like this.
Actually, it's well, I used to vlog here a few months ago, and now, well, when the Bali seems like it's getting better, probably, but not here. That's for sure. Every single shop here, is just totally deserted.
Sorry.
So guys, do you wanna have a beer here? Bar is open. However, I think I still prefer Canggu and stuck 2 hours in the traffic there than having views like this one. Very sad, guys.
So this is how it is, the situation, the current situation in Nusa Dua area BTDC complex. We already showed you how is the hotels, you know, just like some hotels like Grand Hyatt, Merusaka, and maybe Melia over there already open, but unfortunately Ayodhya Resort still closed and maybe gone bankruptcy. And for those of you who are thinking about how is Bali Collection and the shopping center, it looks deserted, still look deserted. So yeah, I think that's all our video today guys. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.